Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to customize your Trello card layout, so let's get started. First up, open your Trello board and select a card you want to customize. Click on the card to open it. The reason we do this is to access the customization settings that are hidden within the card's interface. After you've opened the card, locate the More button on the right-hand side and click on it. This button is like your gateway to all the customization options Trello offers. Now that we've done that, select Custom Fields from the drop-down menu. This is where Trello allows you to add different types of information to your cards, such as text, numbers, checkboxes, or dates. Once you're in the custom fields, click on the Add Custom Field button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're essentially creating a new space in your card where you can add customized information that suits your needs. Next up, fill in the name field with what you want to call your custom field. You can also choose the type of field it should be from the Type drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to categorize and assign specific types of data to our Trello cards, making them more organized and easier to manage. Finally, click Save to store your changes and close the card. Let me explain why this matters. By saving your changes, you're securing your custom layouts so that they'll be there the next time you access your Trello board. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize your Trello card layouts. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to keep your workflow organized and efficient with these handy Trello tips. Until next time.